Prime Minister Narendra Modi praised the journalists and said that during COVID-19 they worked like karma yogis. He was speaking at a bicentenary celebration of Mumbai Samachar newspaper, oldest newspaper of Asia in Mumbai yesterday. While appreciating the media, Narendra Modi said, during last few years, media has published many positive news which helped to create a positive environment in the country. India always respected wise criticism. He asked media to spread positive words along with criticism and appealed to the media to bring forward more positive news when the country is celebrating 75 years of independence. Praising Mumbai Samachar for creating awareness among the citizens, he asked the publishers to bring out books in various languages documenting various historical events. The Prime Minister also released commemorative postal stamp of Mumbai Samachar. Maharashtra's Governor Bhagat Singh Koshyari, Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray, Union Minister Devunshi Chauhan, Leader of Opposition Devendra Fadnavis and other dignitaries were present on the occasion.